In this video, we will learn about how to use liquid BeEs as collateral in Zerodha. In order to do future and options trading, we need 50% cash components and 50% non-cash components. Here, for this option selling strategy, I need a margin of 49,848 rupees, in which I need 50% cash components and 50% non-cash components. For 50% non-cash components, I have pledged my Zerodha BeEs and got a collateral of 93,000 rupees. Here you can see in holdings, I have pledged 355 Nifty BeEs, among in which 24,000 rupees is used as a margin. For remaining 24,000 rupees, I need to have cash in my Zerodha funds, or I should pledge some cash equivalents. Zerodha allows cash equivalents like liquid BeEs or government securities or sovereign gold bonds. In Zerodha website, you can see all the approved list of securities which will provide cash equivalent margin. I will give the link of this page in the video description below. Click on that link and this page will open. Here you can see all the liquid funds and some debt mutual funds and sovereign gold bonds and government securities and treasury bills. So if you have any of these in your portfolio, you can pledge them to get the cash equivalent margin. Right now I need available cash equivalent component of 24,000 rupees. If I don't add that amount, then 0.035% will be debited as an interest from this available cash amount because it is negative here. For 1 lakh it is 35 rupees. Here you can see I have minus 24,000 rupees, on which 0.035 means every day 8.5 paise will be deducted as interest if I don't add this amount. In my holdings I have liquid BeEs, so I can pledge them and I can get cash equivalent margin. I have 99 quantity of liquid BeEs, in which I would like to pledge 30 liquid BeEs. The balance amount I can use it for any further trades if required. To pledge the shares, go to Zerodha console. For that, click on your user ID and click on console. On console, go to portfolio. Under portfolio, you can see all your holdings. Now click on these 3 dots and click on pledge for margin. Now select liquid BeEs and enter the quantity. I want to pledge 30 quantity of liquid BeEs and the haircut is 6%. So you will get 94% of your holding value. Now click on continue. Here you can see how much collateral I will get. It is 28,199 rupees. Now accept these terms and conditions and click on submit. Now enter the OTP and click on verify. Here you can see you have successfully placed the pledge request. Please check history page for status. You may close the window now. Now again go to the Zerodha console. Now click on portfolio and click on holdings. Now click on these 3 dots. You can select any holding and click on pledge for margin. Now the pledge holdings page will open. Here you can see history. Here you can see I have pledged 30 quantity of liquid BeEs and the status is pending and the amount will be credited in the next trading day. If the amount credits, then I will not see this negative balance in my Zerodha funds, and I will also fulfill the requirement of 50% non-cash components by pledging Nifty BeEs and 50% cash component by pledging liquid BeEs. So this is how to use liquid BeEs as a collateral for future and options trading in Zerodha. Still, if you have any questions, ask in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to Raj Tech India.